I'm a city. I'm a city. I'm a city chick.
Tea time with the PNCA sisters. Cheers, sis.
Gotta look at the eyes.
Always. We don't want that bad luck.
Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back. In today's video, we want you to get to know us a bit more. So we're going to answer a series of random questions. We haven't seen them yet. It's through a generator. We'll be as surprised as you are.
Are you ready?
I don't think they are.
Cause I'm ready.
Oh, I stay ready.
I've been ready since birth. So keep up.
Where did you grow up?
Vietnam, obviously.
But which city?
I was born in An Giang. It's like a province. Oh, I came here when I was junior in high school, so I would say around 16 or 17.
I grew up in Geneva, Switzerland. I lived there my whole life until I moved here 6 years ago. I'm not gonna say my age.
Sure, I can tell you in the comments. Do you follow your heart or your head?
I think I do a bit of both. I'm definitely big on instincts and I've learned to trust them.
I feel like I use my head only because too many people did me wrong. So my heart is not the same anymore.
Cue the sad music.
No, but I feel like for me it's a little bit of both. But sometimes, for example, like something's really important and of course you feel nervous. So that could be also like a mixed signal as well. A little bit of both I think is the best way.
What is something new that you've learned in the past week?
Well, maybe this is not something I've learned, but this is kind of like a contradicting thought that I've been having. You know, it's like just saying don't put, you know, all your eggs in one basket. No, but one other thing is that, you know, if you want to say I want to have a backup plan and things like that, I understand that. But you know, sometimes if you don't put all your heart into it, you know, it's kind of like half-assed in a way.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
What's the point?
Exactly.
Agreed. What did I learn the past week? How to edit?
That's true. Oh, she did all the editing. How good.
It was a group effort.
What is the first thing you notice about a guy or girl if you're into that?
I would say the eyes and the smile. It's two things, I know. But yeah, it's one of the two. Oh, actually, let me take that right back. The height.
You're so superficial. It's not about the height. You know?
It's not, but it's saying the first thing you notice. I'm not saying it's a good or bad thing. It's like the first thing I noticed.
Okay. For me, it's like how thick is his wallet is.
Oh my! You can't say that.
I'm kidding. I think with also the eyes,
Right?
and guy with big arms, you know, make me feel tiny and safe. What is your favorite smell?
Myself. But I just like to smell good. Meaning, you know, I would automatically like myself because I like all
you like the
things
smell
that
of your
smell.
perfume.
Whatever. I just like smell in general. No, but I think my favorite.
What is that noise?
I don't know.
There's an alien in the apartment.
I know, that was so weird.
Let me check. I know what it is.
Pascal, we need to finish this video. Let me get comfortable. Filming this alone, apparently.
I'm back! Sorry, I got hungry. You want some kimchi?
Bowl of kimchi.
You guys want some kimchi?
Well,
Oh my god, I ate my hair.
So what is your favorite smell?
Oh, my favorite smell. I like my home smell.
Nice.
It's very like fresh, a little bit sweet, rosy.
Very girly.
Very girly, yeah.
If I had to choose a perfume, This is really tough because smell is so important to me. I would say for now, my favorite fragrance is Rose Gold by Bulgari.
Oh yeah, that one smells so good.
Smells like rose gold, and I'm obsessed with everything copper, rose gold, along those lines. What's your family like?
Huh.
Your silence was too long.
No, my family is fun, but you know, I wish I get to spend more time with them, obviously. I'm here, my mom and dad's in Vietnam. I have my sister here with her husband, and you know, it's just sometimes life just like pass by so quickly and you're getting busy. We never see each other.
Because you see your PNCA sister a bit more.
Bye. How about yours?
Loving, caring, understanding, funny.
That's cute. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, same. They're not here with me. Yeah, definitely like FaceTime, WhatsApp, and all that helps. They're cool people. Like, I feel like if we weren't related, it would still be people I would like to hang out with. What is your biggest priority in your life right now?
Trying to figure out what to do in the next 5 months. Because my work visa expiring soon, and I'm planning to apply to school to extend my stay here, but we'll see what's gonna happen. How about you?
I guess same, like just figuring out what's gonna happen again with our immigration status. Once we figure that out, I can have another priority. Yeah.
Sure. Where's your favorite place to shop?
For,
let's say, clothes?
It varies a lot. It depends on which phase and which deals are out there. Also, I like ASOS. What about you?
I used to buy lots of things from Zara. Now I just look on Zara for just inspirations. Lately I feel like I've had a lot of clothes, so I don't feel the need to buy more unless it's spectacular or something that I really want that I'm saving up to buy.
It used to be my favorite, but then they changed like sizing.
They did.
Just like, and the material, but the price went higher.
Yeah,
so
for
like,
sure. Yeah. Like, I mean, this is not a bad thing, but you know, it just like back in the day I like Zara because it fit me like a glove. And now everything I buy, even like smaller size, and I still need to do alterations. But I don't want to pay for alteration. It's like another $20, literally the price that I buy.
Right.
You know what I mean?
That's so stupid. Right.
Describes your perfect first date. He died and left me the inheritance.
On the first date though?
My favorite days with this guy, and it was so spontaneous. We just went on different places and did so many activities in the whole full day. It was 12 hours non-stop.
That's cute. That could be a movie.
Yeah.
Oh, I just thought of my favorite date, actually. And it's so funny. That person in the long run didn't even mean that much, but we went to a concert and it wasn't even an artist I knew or like necessarily the genre I listened to, but it was like super fun. It made me like discover a new artist, which was nice. After that, we went to this like, that was in LA, so you can imagine the weather was nice, like everything was on point. It's not a piano bar, but like that vibe. So there was like live music again, which was a bit more like my style as well. And yeah, we were just vibing over the music. It was just simple. We were talking, it just flowed, dancing. You know, when we got out, there was like a food truck and it literally had the best food I've ever had in my life. It was super simple. Like they had like tacos, burgers, whatever. But yeah, it tasted so good. I don't know if the day was so right that everything tasted, you know? We just ended up at the beach after that.
We didn't dipping?
No, we literally just chilled. Do you believe in fate?
Yeah, because that's how we met.
That's so cute.
Wow, you decided to sit behind me.
No. Well, let me tell you the real story of how we met. No. We met in statistics class. Yeah. We went to college together. Yeah. And Pascal was sitting at the other end of the room. I was sitting on another one completely. But yeah, I was just there to get the job done, graduate, be out. And one time, Pascal like moved onto my side of the room.
Because someone took my seat.
That's what she says, but I low-key think she always wanted to talk to me. So like she found her way to me, which is fine. Like that's cute and endearing. Probably she was like, this girl's a mystery. Let me like find out more. So I think
this is not High School Musical.
So she sat in front of me. I didn't address her, whatever. And then I think one time we were gonna have a test or something, and we both worked in our like tutoring center. And she was like, oh, we have statistics together, we should go over it before the test or something, but that involved like working together. So I was like, okay. And
you love making up stories.
I love making it up.
I remember she asked me like, how are you?
No, because after that initial thing, so she did approach me at the tutoring center, and I was like, okay, this girl is cool, whatever. Didn't think much. We'll study for the test, have a good grade together. That's cute. And so beyond that, since she had addressed me, like, I'm a pretty personable person, I would like to think. So yeah, like, be like, hey, how are you? Like that sort of thing. Like I guess we kept talking and seeing each other, so we were like, we should totally go out for a drink one of these days. And yeah,
we went to the Lower East Side.
Yeah, had drinks, dinner. Yeah, beyond that, we never stopped going out. Not like that, but like actually going out. So that's the story of how we met, and the real how we met, not the Pascal version.
Mine's real. It's okay. I'm not type of person that would argue with friends.
But you are. What is the one thing you would change about yourself? Is it
this a trick question?
Or I would change my posture and go to. Yeah, I would change my posture. What about you? Because I'm low-key a hunchback.
Me too.
Low-key.
I have long back, so physically, do I need to spell it out? That's so mean.
No. Too funny. That was it for today, guys. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and leave us a comment down below. Tell us what you thought, answer some of the questions. We'd love to get to know you as well. And also be sure to tell us what you would like to see on this channel. We're just starting out, so we love feedback. Yes.
So go ahead, let us know. The more, the merrier.
Yes. So. And we know you want to join the sisterhood, so just go ahead.
Alright.
Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next one.
Bye.